So we continue to breathe, feeling the body, feeling the earth underneath the body, entering into a healing journey that will connect us to our beauty, our own beauty. So while you are feeling your body, I invite you to imagine that you are standing or sitting naked in front of a mirror. You are in a safe space, alone, naked in front of a mirror, and you are looking at yourself slowly. With soft eyes, you are just looking and breathing. You are looking at every part of your body, and also you are looking at your body as a whole. Breathing, looking, allowing emotions, sensations, and thoughts to come to your consciousness while you are looking at the mirror. Any kind of emotion is welcome, any kind of a sensation. What we want to do in that first stage of the practice is we want to be aware. What is happening to me when I imagine myself naked and I allow myself to really be inside this imagination? Do I feel comfortable? Do I feel discomfort? Whatever comes to me is welcome. Try not to judge your own reactions to the body, but just to notice it and to feel it in the body. While you are looking at yourself in the imaginary mirror, try to identify what is the main emotion that comes to you. What is, I don't know if main, maybe dominant. What is the dominant emotion that comes to you? And what is the dominant area in the body that reacts to this emotion? And it is possible that it will be more than one emotion and more than one part of the body. Usually there is something dominant. We want to focus in that. Whether it's shame, guilt, admiration, disconnection. Disconnection is also a layer of sensation. It's possible that you look at your body in this imaginary mirror and you don't feel anything. There is an option that this I'm not feeling anything is a kind of a disconnection. And we want to listen to that. It is also a layer of a sensation in the body. So whatever it is, give it a name in your heart, give it space in your body and stay there. And breathe. continue to look at the mirror in your imagination in order to deepen the level of emotion and sensation. We want to feel it strongly. And if you feel it is strong enough, then you can close the picture, the inner picture of your naked body, and just stay with the feelings. And if you feel you need the picture, then use it. Continue to breathe consciously into the area of the body that is now the most dominant, with the dominant emotion and sensation, and go deeper into the body like you are diving into the ocean of your body. You want to feel it more without judging, just feeling. What we are doing in that practice is allowing ourselves to deepen the direct connection between ourselves and the body without the interfere of the thought. All our judgments come from the level of the mind, the thought. In the level of sensations, there are no thoughts, there are no judgments, there are only sensations. So this is what we are doing now, connecting to the level of the sensation. So whether it's a positive sensation, a pleasurable sensation, or whether it's a contracted sensation, I can feel it, I can be with it, I am connected to my body now, as it is. While you are diving into your body, allow yourself to see and to feel new layers of emotions and sensations. Maybe I started with disconnection and now I feel something else. Allow that layers to be experienced by you. Gently, softly, just be there. And if your mind is taking you, don't fight it. Slowly, softly, come back. Come back to my voice. Come back to your body, to the sensation that is now dominant. Go deeper and deeper in your pace. If you feel there is a change in the level of sensation or emotion, you can try to imagine again you are being naked in front of a mirror, looking at that mirror again from the new level of emotion and sensation, and seeing if anything is different now. If I'm looking at my body in a different way when my emotion and sensation is different. And if there is no change in the level of emotion and sensation, just stay in the body and leave that mirror to another time. This practice, you are doing it in your pace. You are meeting your own layers around connecting to the body, and definitely it is different from one woman to another, from one person to another. Allow it. There is no right answer or wrong answer. Whatever I'm feeling towards my body is sacred. This is pure intelligence. My body is teaching me to feel myself. And I'm listening. So we continue to go deeper into more levels of feeling myself. I am breathing. And from time to time, I can bring the mirror again to check, to learn if there is a new layer of sensation or emotion that pops up that I want to meet. I want to get to know myself through that. I'm curious about myself. So we will stay there for a few more seconds in that listening. Now I can suggest us all to close the picture of the mirror and just to stay in the body. Just to rest in the body as a whole, without focusing on a specific part, but just feeling the body as a whole. Feeling the stream of life, my blood, my breathing is flowing in my body. I am here now. Allowing myself to relax and to rest. If you feel comfortable, check it out. If you feel comfortable to say, maybe out loud, maybe in your heart, to say the words, I am beautiful. Try that 1 time, 2 times. I am beautiful. And if you feel it's not in harmony with you, let it go. You don't have to. It's just an option. If you chose to say it, you can imagine that you are saying it to every cell of your body. You are whispering the natural state of all of us, beauty. Softly, gently, caressing the inner body with that wisdom of beauty. And if you feel any kind of resistance or just not connecting to that sentence, it's totally fine. Don't do it. Allow yourself to relax. We are different and we have our own pace of meeting beauty.